Ever scroll through listings and wonder how people are affording sports cars that look that good? Here's the secret. You don't need $60,000 to own something fast, fun, and built to last. Today, we're counting down the top 5 used sports cars under $20,000, 2025 edition, ranked by reliability, driving feel, and real-world ownership costs. So buckle up, because number 1 might just change what you think budget performance really means. Number 5, BMW 335i E92, the boosted bargain. Want a luxury coupe that hits like a hammer but doesn't empty your wallet? Meet the BMW 335i. Under the hood lives the legendary N54 twin-turbo inline-6, a tuning icon that delivers effortless power and torque. Sure, maintenance isn't cheap, but pick a clean, well-kept example, and you're driving a car that'll outpace most new sedans twice its price. For around $15,000 to $18,000, you get rear-wheel drive, timeless styling, and performance that'll make you forget it's over a decade old. Think of it as a baby M3, just without the insurance pain. Number 4, Ford Mustang GT S197, the American icon, big V8, rear drive, row your own gears. The S197 Mustang GT is pure muscle distilled. The 4.6 and 5.0-liter engines are tough, parts are cheap, and the aftermarket is endless. For under $20,000, you can find one that's clean, lightly modded, and ready to make every on-ramp feel like a drag strip. It's not subtle, but that's the point. If you want a car that sounds like freedom and still runs on a budget, this is it. Number 3, Subaru BRZ or Scion FR-S, the corner carver. Lightweight, rear-wheel drive, manual transmission. The BRZ and FR-S were built for drivers who love corners more than straight lines. They're not about raw speed, they're about precision and balance. The steering feedback is sharp, the chassis is playful, and the 2.0-liter flat 4 begs to rev. You'll find plenty of solid examples under $18,000, many with tasteful upgrades. Add sticky tires and coilovers, and you've got a weekend track toy that doubles as a daily driver. Number 2, Nissan 370Z, the sleeper athlete. The 370Z might be one of the last true analog sports cars you can still buy without selling a kidney. When it first launched, critics had mixed feelings about its handling, mainly due to the multi-link rear suspension and divorced spring layout, which caused the rear end to toe out under throttle, making it unpredictable when pushed hard. But here's the good news. Enthusiasts have since solved that. With modern FDF or GK Tech rear drop knuckle kits and true-style coilovers, you can completely transform the car's behavior. What was once twitchy becomes planted, precise, and confidence-inspiring. Its 3.7-liter V6 still delivers 330-plus horsepower. The 6-speed manual has one of the best shifters in the game, and the design turns heads even today. For $17,000 to $20,000, you're getting hydraulic steering, Brembo brakes on the sport trim, and bulletproof reliability if it's been maintained. This is the kind of car that rewards skill and punishes shortcuts. Number 1, Mazda MX-5 Miata, ND or NC, the driver's dream. You knew it was coming. The Miata is always the answer. Why? Because nothing this affordable delivers such pure, balanced driving. Its double wishbone suspension front and rear, near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, and low center of gravity give it predictable fluid body motion, even with relatively soft suspension. It's forgiving when you make mistakes, yet razor-sharp when you get it right. The steering is direct, the shifter clicks like a rifle bolt, and it teaches you more about car control than any horsepower monster ever could. For $15,000 to $19,000, you can find a clean NC or early ND, lightweight, reliable, and endlessly tunable. It's not about going the fastest, it's about smiling the widest. The burnout regret. Quick story. A buddy of mine bought a used Camaro SS, thought he scored a deal. First week in, the clutch started slipping, rear tires bald, CEL blinking like a disco ball. $2,300 later, he realized cheap horsepower can get expensive fast. Meanwhile, my other friend in a bone-stock Miata, still running perfect, top down, not a worry in the world. Moral of the story: buy the right car, not just the loudest one. Choosing the right sports car for you. Before you pull the trigger, remember, the fastest car isn't always the best deal, but the most balanced one usually is. Look for clean titles, solid maintenance history, and avoid cars that spent their life bouncing off the rev limiter. The cars we listed today, Miata 370Z, BRZ/FR-S, Mustang GT, and 335i, have proven themselves over time. They're real driver's cars that deliver smiles per dollar better than anything new at twice the price. So whether your goal is canyon runs, track days, or just spicing up your commute, there's something here for you. If this video helped narrow your search, do your future self a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for our next deep dive. Best Used JDM Cars That Beat Their European Rivals, 2025 edition. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 would you take for a weekend blast? Until next time, keep your revs high, your oil clean, and your budget intact. This is Zero Lift Media, signing off.